Welcome back again. Today's video is quite different. It's an informative video and I hope this will help you a lot. That's why watch till the end. So during study time, are you lose your concentration? Struggling with time management? Or there are many distractions around you? So if you are facing this kind of problems and finding someone who will push you back into your study, so here I am. Here I am to solve your all kind of problems. So I will give you a grand solution today. So introducing the world famous Pomodoro technique. In late 1980s, Francisco Cirillo was a university student and he was a medical student. So during exam time, he invented suddenly the Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro is a Latin word which means a red tomato. And during study time, Francisco Cirillo uses a kitchen timer which looks like exactly a red tomato. So that is the reason behind the name of Pomodoro technique. Now I am going to describe the working formula in the most easiest way. First, go to your study table and start reading for 25 minutes. After that, take 5 minutes of short break. Then again start 25 minutes of study and take the short break. After doing 4 times similar work, the fourth break will be a long 15-minute break. At last, finishing the whole process, repeat it from the beginning. Modern problem need modern solution. That is why you have to follow some rules when you are using the Pomodoro technique. Most importantly, you have to switch off your phone, or you can switch it into aeroplane mode, and don't look at the timer again and again. And during break time, you can take some sufficient amount of water or some little amount of food as a reward for 25 minutes of study. You can go outside for 5 minutes of walk, or simply you can complete 20 push-ups which you have not done early morning. And at last, you have to avoid the social media accounts. You have to avoid messaging. You have to avoid unnecessary phone calls. Of course, until an emergency. Pomodoro technique has some scientific background also. In this context, Henry Bergson, a philosopher and a Nobel Prize winner in 1927, talks about time and assuring that time is only one of them who produce anxiety. It is dimensional aspect which pushes us to measure it and triggers the idea of being late. However, seeing the time as a succession of events does not generate stress. A study published in a journal talks about that short breaks will help you to concentrate better. So basically all they are trying to say that distribution of work in period produce strict control over time and distraction, which proved to be useful long period of time. On the other side, sitting in front of your table whole day is not something your body made of to do so. So continuous study may harmful for your brain functions and can create loopholes in your focus. So that is why Pomodoro technique is very useful for you in order to improve your productivity. So if you have completely lost your study plans, so I suggest you try at least once Pomodoro technique. And right now I will show you the free resources, the free Pomodoro timers available in the market. There are so many applications available in the Play Store, but I found it very much easier interface, so that is why I use it always. So first of all, I will show you the settings, and here what you have to do, that this tick volume you have to reduce to 0. Okay, so you can change the ringing sounds also. And next one, you have to enable this option, keep screen on, and then up to you can change the short break also, everything you have. You can also change the Pomodoro duration up to 45 minutes, as you can see. So this is the overview of this application, and you can also use it. I will give you the link in the description below. If you are new in my channel, then watch my previous videos, because there I utilize the whole Pomodoro process. and gain my finally 10 hour of study. That's all for today, and see you in the next one soon.